Hello guys. Today we are looking at a rather more simple question than the previous ones we have looked at. This one asks us when f of x is equal to x raised to the power of 3 plus 2x squared minus 3x plus 5, f1 is equal to what? In other words, we should evaluate this equation when x is equal to 1. So if you quickly look down, you see I've already solved something. This is the function we are given. F of x is equal to x raised to the power of 3 plus 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 3x plus 5. And you can see I said here x equal to 1 because the question tells us that we should find f1, which means we should find f of x when x is equal to 1. So it means for wherever we have x in this question, we're going to put 1. This is why you see f of 1 here. In place of x, I put 1 raised to the power of 3. Then this is our plus. This is 2. And in place of x again, I put 1 raised to the power of 2. And it's minus 3. In the place of x, I put 1 in a bracket again. And then plus 5. So if you look at f of x and you look at the third line of my solution down, you will see that what I just simply did was to substitute x for 1. Then I simplified this. So if you go down further, you have f1 is equal to 1 raised to the power of 3 is 1, and 1 raised to the power of 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. That's why you have 1 plus 2 here. Of course, 3 times 1 is 3. You put in the minus sign, so minus 3. Then the plus 5 comes down. Then if you simplify further, going to the fifth line, f1 is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. Then we'll bring down our minus 3, and we'll bring down our plus 5. Of course, you know that 3 minus 3 is 0. So that's why at the end we have f1 equal to 5. So that means that the f1 we have to find is 5. Now if you look at the options, you see 2, you see 3, you see 5 and 6. So definitely we are going to pick 5. So the answer to this is 5. So if you have something like this now, I believe you know how to attempt it. It's pretty easy. Some may be more complicated. For example, if you're told to find f of minus 2, you have to be careful because of the negative sign, and you will need to do a little bit more multiplication. Imagine f of minus 3. So to just test yourself out, you can check what you get if you're finding f of minus 3, or you're finding f of minus 4, or f of minus 2. That's up to you. So that's all we have for today. See you soon.